Hi, this is Brendan from Watto Training, and in this tutorial I'm going to demonstrate some fundamental skills in an automatic driving school car. The first one I'm going to demonstrate is moving off from a stationary position. So this is different from a curb departure. This is simply moving the vehicle forward. So first of all, I've got my seat correctly set up. I've got my steering wheel set up. My seat belt is on. My mirrors are set up, and I've got the car running at the moment. It's in park with the handbrake on. The first thing I do is conduct a 6-point check around the vehicle. And when I talk about 6 points, I talk about the front, the rear. Now sometimes we use the rear view mirror, and sometimes we look out the back like that. If I'm reversing, I look out the back in the direction of travel predominantly. I've got my left mirror, I've got my right mirror. But I've also got my blind spots, which are to my back left and to my back right. And we term those as shoulder checks. In New South Wales, they're called head checks. Okay, so we're all clear around the vehicle. I put my foot onto the brake. I select drive. I keep my eyes on the move. I release the park brake. And to move forward at low speed in an automatic, the car will move off without acceleration. So my left foot is on the footrest. My right foot, I have my right heel on the floor at the moment, and I'm going to pivot over, pivot the foot off the brake. And if I want to move off with a little bit of power, I would go to the accelerator. If I want to move off slowly, for example, I'm currently in a car park, I would just simply ease off the park brake and we're moving away. Now currently I'm doing about 5 kilometers per hour. If I let the vehicle just move along at that speed, the maximum speed it will do without any acceleration at all is about 8 kilometers per hour. So I'm just moving along. If I want to go quicker, I need to input some more pressure onto the accelerator pedal to move quicker. So what I'll do is I'll just give it a little bit more accelerator, and I'm now up to 10 kilometers per hour. I'm just going to go around the block of the car park that I'm currently in. I'm looking to the right, I'm looking to the left, it's all clear. Nice smooth steering around the corner, and I'm just following the road around. It's one way. I'm just keeping my eyes on the move because this is a sporting venue and there could be school groups or people coming in for training or anything like that. So I'm just moving along nice and steady. There's a little pedestrian crossing up ahead, so I'm just scanning left and right. Eyes on the move, all clear. Moving across safely. I'm just going to follow the car park around. Now I'm currently on about 15 kilometers per hour at the most. So just coming along, moving around, keeping my eyes on the move. Got a give way sign here, so I'm just pulling up, giving way to other traffic, waiting patiently, waiting until it's all clear, lean and look, clear to go, making sure that my vision's not blocked by any pillars. We don't want to lose any vehicles or pedestrians, cyclists, scooter riders behind those. Pedestrian crossings clear, mirror, indicator, little shoulder check, all clear both ways, and we're moving back around. So when you're driving in a low speed situation, you either just ease off the accelerator slightly and just let the vehicle move along nice and gently at about, as we said, 8 kilometers per hour. If you want to slow down, apply a little bit of foot brake. Now it's moving at 5 kilometers per hour. This would be something that you would do, like for example, in a car park looking for a park, or if you're waiting for someone to back out or something like that. If we want to come to a complete stop, we just press on the brake pedal and just pull it up to a complete stop. If we want to move again, get your 6-point checks working and then moving off. So I'm just going to go around to the right. So I'm just again keeping my eyes on the move, nice gentle steering, and I'm going to back the vehicle in. So I just identify the park that I want, straighten the wheel up. So I've lined myself up. Now when you're reversing back, as I said, you've got your mirrors and I can see the white lines of the parking bay on each side, but I'm going to pivot in my seat and look over my shoulder as well And I'm going to work off that left mirror, right mirror, and look out the back just to make sure that there's nobody coming up from behind, and just checking all the, again, those 6 points in that monitoring, and going slow. I'm in reverse and I'm doing 2 or 3 kilometers per hour. When you're doing any reversing, take it nice and slow.